Hello guys, welcome to 3K Fit Life in Canada. This is Kiran. So today I'm going to talk about my immigration experience in Canada. So after reaching Canada airport, the officials uh, checked our ArriveCan app, and they also checked our quarantine accommodation form and hotel bookings. So that were the documents they asked first, and they guided us to a health checkup officer, and he asked us the COVID report test from the third country, but we showed the COVID report from Muscat and we had a layover in Frankfurt. So they asked Frankfurt COVID test, but we said that we only had layover and we don't have any COVID test. But they said that it is mandatory to bring that, and they said that we are just giving you a verbal warning and we are not going to write any documentation or any fine on you. So it's just verbal warning, and they said to not to repeat this again in the future. So after that they guided us through immigration process. I mean, it took approximately 1 hour because the line was so big and there were so many people traveling through indirect routes. So after 1 hour, they called our name and we went to the desk. First of all, they asked about university offer letter, and I showed the offer letter, and they asked me the fee receipts, and I have showed them my fee receipts. After that, they asked me to show proof of funds. So I showed my GIC and a letter of enrollment. So that's it. I mean, they didn't ask any questions. For me, they didn't ask any questions. The officer said, why are you traveling to Canada? So I just said that I'm traveling for my studies, and he said that you should follow all the rules, and he guided that we can only work like 20 hours, and in holidays we can work 40 hours. And he took like 2 minutes and issued my study permit. So that is the immigration experience. But for some people, they target some people. They ask so many questions like, why are you traveling, what is the purpose of your travel, you have online classes, why like that. I mean, the questions like that, because all of us have online classes. We have to take care of that. I mean, we should be able to answer the question. We can say that the time difference, I mean, we are not able to concentrate on studies because of the time difference. All of the classmates are from Canada, and the another answer we could give is, we are from main intake and already our classes started, and so I have to travel now because it could mess up my grade. So that is the answer we can give. And they will ask about quarantine accommodation form. I mean, in each and every airport they are going to ask about quarantine. So in India they asked, and in Muscat, Frankfurt, they asked the quarantine accommodation. So we have shown the letter. So be prepared. I mean, you have to show them the letter, and your college documents should be in place. I mean, they are going to check each and everything, that you got the college enrollment letter and fee receipts, GIC and everything. So that's the process. If you have all the documents, then it won't be a hassle. I mean, they won't pressure you. If you show them the documents correctly, they issue the study permit within 5 minutes to 10 minutes. So that's it. That's the immigration experience. So after that, we go on to the baggage section and collected our baggages, and they guided us to our quarantine hotel shuttles. I mean, the cabs or shuttles to the hotel. So we reached the quarantine accommodation. Then we didn't live for 3 days. I mean, it's the government approved quarantine. So we had to stay for 3 days. After 3 days, we shifted to another hotel. The entire quarantine accommodation was booked by my university. So I thank my university, which is York. So that's the thing, and that's my immigration experience. If you have any doubts, any concerns, or anything related to travel or anything related to fitness, I mean, I'm also a fitness guy, uh, please feel free to text me in the Insta, or you can comment in the YouTube also. Please do like, share and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you. This is Kiran, 3K Fit Life.